So, how often do you clean your fridge and what cleaning products do you use? I normally use warm water, liquid soap, and my yellow sponge, and I finish it off with fresh antibacterial wipes. So, I did grocery shopping today and I cleaned my fridge before putting everything back inside. Over the years, I've learned that you should not put hot food inside the fridge. And so I always wait for them to cool down before putting it inside. And whilst cleaning, I'm also cooking liver sauce for tomorrow's breakfast, inshallah, using the Seymour spices. Please do check out for this recipe in my channel. And finally, I have been looking at this Sharon fruit for some time, so I decided to eat half and save the other half for later. Thank you so much for watching.